एक छोटी इमोजी की कीमत तुम क्या जानो सजीत बाबू।
मुट्ठी की कीमत जानते हो?
Alright, so Gen X versus Gen Z, whose emoji game is on fire? Let's find out. For that, I would show an emoji which is this.
माइन इज दिस। तुमने क्या दिखाया?
Sir, वो high five की emoji है. Why would you show high five to?
मैं बोला जी कर लूंगा।
For
Nice.
snacks in the pantry, this one for sure.
माइन इज दिस। तुम्हारा क्या है?
Dancing girl.
तुम नाचोगे क्यों?
I
खा के
want
नहीं
to.
आता क्या?
नहीं, I want to sell. I am excited about. ये पता है किस चीज की
किस
emoji है?
लिए?
This is ऐसे
Drooling.
काफी insinuating सा emoji है, मतलब innuendo भरा emoji है.
अच्छा अच्छा राइट।
So again,
दिस वन।
you will laugh.
हाँ
At an editor's level, you can laugh about such things. At my level, I have to be very scared about. I would use the melting face emoji.
I'm using this.
Thumbs up.
हाँ।
How can you be so nonchalant about something where it's your fault?
And how can you be thinking?
You have to re-record your link. Okay, yeah.
Mine is this.
Mine is.
Waste of time.
So
Crying.
if I would get the chance to put this.
अरे!
See, I think it stems from personal experience that both of us are showing the
Yeah.
same emoji. तो एक भी कम पड़ रहा है. I think 4-5 ऐसे lines
हाँ,
से I would
line
put
आना
in
चाहिए
ना. So
Coffee.
this emoji.
This is coffee,
yeah,
right?
coffee,
You're saying
coffee.
no. You said it's tea.
No, no, I didn't say it's tea. Someone told me it means कि you are asking for gossip, but I myself have never used it for asking for gossip.
It's
In
for
fact,
asking for coffee.
You-
हमारे आज generation just says this.
your
and we-
generation में emoji नहीं होते थे, ना ही coffee shops
Okay.
होती थी. You see, even a monkey can be an emoji like this monkey. So
like I don't see your mistakes.
no, this monkey is very like you want to say something which is controversial.
No,
like Sajid sir, I
yeah,
think you are wrong about this, and I'll
Yes.
send that message, but I don't want you to be angry about it, so I'll follow it up with a monkey.
No,
Because
it basically means that I've seen your mistake, but I'm not saying anything.
next is melting face. So melting face, what do you
now,
think?
now tell me.
Now
what
I'll tell you. See, melting face is when you make a mistake and when you want to accept it and you want to show ki I feel more about it than just words, so you'll put a melting face next to it. Or when you're having a bad day, it's like it's to show
you're
ki,
too much in the sun.
yeah, no, not in the sun, Sajid sir. It's to show ki you are vulnerable about something. Ki you are
गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा हो गई, पसीने पसीने हो गए.
devil face.
That's you.
That's me. So again, a devil face in my generation is used for content which is
Content which is
18 plus. Okay, so my favorite emoji would be the skull emoji because it's very versatile. You can use it in a lot of situations, and because it's a skull, it has no expressions on its face. So it's like a Schrodinger's emoji. It can mean something and the other thing at the same time. It depends on you what you want it to mean. So yeah.
my favorite emoji is this. The most I
L,
use.
this emoji to the back. It's a cat with a sunglass and a pata gobi hat. So again, it's a very say.
What does it mean actually?
Sir, it means कि I am very cool about something. You give me some work and you tell me कि ये जल्दी जल्दी करना है, and I am being ऐसे calm and
Am I
composed
hiding
about it.
under a patta gobi?
No, I am a patta gobi.
No, I need a emoji which is representing mechanical life.
Why आपकी life mechanical हो गई है?
बहुत हो गई.
Yeah, so that was Sajid sir versus me. So
Versus
older
me.
generation versus the younger generation. Whose emoji game do you think is the stronger one? Let us know in the comments down below. And for more content, stay tuned to NDTV Profit.